Well, good morning. It is day 2 here on our Disney World trip. We are getting ready to head out to Magic Kingdom today. That is where we're going to be spending it. So get ready for day 2. Now, if you're new around here, go ahead, click that red subscribe button down below. Click that bell icon next to it so you get notified whenever we release a new video. And click that thumbs up button so that we know you liked our video. Well, as I said, today is a Magic Kingdom day. We have a park reservation there, so that's the only park we can go to. So we're going to be in and out of Magic Kingdom today a couple times probably. Let's quit talking. Let's quit sitting here at the Wyndham. And let's get on the road and head to Magic Kingdom. How you doing?
Fine.
Are you crying?
No.
Oh.
Putting my sunglasses on.
Oh. There it is. In her new colors. Just like Crystal. She has outfit changes.
It's good to be home.
It's definitely nice to be back. For a long time, nobody knew when we'd be back. All right. Let's go enjoy the day.
Happy Halloween to you.
Morning. So when I first saw the pictures of this castle, I didn't know what to think. I thought they were just kind of copying Sleeping Beauty. But now seeing it in person, this is beautiful. Like, I really like the touches. Like, it's very nice. The gold is very prominent. So when you get a chance, definitely come and soak this castle in. And if you can't tell, there's like 15 people around me. Everybody's ran to rides. And Crystal and I are just kind of like soaking in the castle and the hub, and she's over taking selfies with the partner statue. This is great. Now I gotta get a new Lego castle, because my Lego castle isn't anything like this. Like, literally, here, hold on. Let me just do this. Like, there's Crystal. There's like literally maybe 50 people in this whole hub right now. Everybody ran to rides like normal, but these crowds are insane. We'll see what happens this weekend, but right now, I can deal with this experience. First ride of Magic Kingdom. It's Buzz Lightyear Space Ranger Spin. Crystal's gonna get Galactic Hero.
Scan is detecting more trouble in Sector 9. Now he's to look at that nefarious criminal.
All right, I got 584.9. Crystal, that is really good for Crystal.
Yeah, it's not bad for
like,
me.
she should not be upset at all at that.
No, usually I get like...
But we're gonna have to go again. Yeah, usually she gets like 1,000. But we're gonna have to go again for sure. You gonna get 200,000?
I'm gonna try.
Okay, we really are going again, just so you know, it's a walk-on.
And for the record, it was my idea.
Yeah, it was Crystal's idea. I was gonna wait till later in the day. So she has to get 200,000 now.
Good wife over here.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Check the status board and review your score.
Galactic Hero!
Not Galactic Hero.
More normal score. Galactic Hero.
Yeah,
That's normal for her.
yeah.
It's okay, the first game, she did
I
amazing.
did all right, yeah.
We walk into New Fantasyland. Notice in front of us, That is the line for 7 dwarfs. Goes right there. Which, if you can't tell, it's spread out, so that's why it's going this far. I think it's only like a 40-minute wait. Not too bad. Just know, physical distancing causes all these lines to spread out. So don't let them scare you. But us, we're going on the mini adventures of Winnie the Pooh. We haven't gone through the regular queue in this line for years. Oh, there you go, behind the Instagram. Obviously, all the little things like in the kids' playground, they're closed right now. Just so you know, if you weren't aware of that already. I just, I'm gonna miss the honey wall up here that you used to like draw pictures on.
One day, 100-acre wood, the east wind traded places with the west.
For food. If you ask me, you'll never reach that tree.
Barney! Barney! Oh dear! Hang on tightly, Roo!
Come bounce with me. Bouncing makes you feel just great, doesn't it? Follow me! Right this way. Phew, I almost bounced right out of the ride. Watch out for everyone's and moodles. They steal honey. And everyone gathered together to say,
Hooray for Pooh, too!
start the party without me.
So here's Small World, completely covered in scrim. Looks like it's getting a facelift.
It's open though.
Still open, yes, we were just informed it's still open. So we had quite the land transformation. We have gone from Fantasyland over here to Frontierland, making our way over to Big Thunder Mountain.
And Splash.
And Splash. I am not excited for Splash. I don't like Splash. Obviously it's a nostalgic ride that's going away, and my wife has informed me I have to ride it.
He actually does like it. Every time we get off, he's like, I really do like that ride.
Okay, I don't like the drop. Okay, because I don't like being wet. 2, I don't like the feeling it gives my tummy. So there. I'll ride it, because my wife said I have to.
I did not. I said I'd do it by myself.
I'm not gonna make her ride it by herself, because I do enjoy everything else. So I'll deal with the drop. All right, it says 30 minutes. Let's see how long it takes.
We're going down to the bayou.
Is this the bayou?
It will be.
Yeah, it will be. It's not now.
We're going to the Briar Patch. Our trip to the Briar Patch has been postponed. It broke down. So I think we're gonna go to Big Thunder. Well, we're gonna go see what the wait is at Big Thunder. Just our luck. Big Thunder is down too, which is odd that they're both down. So we're going to probably go find some food.
Well, right there, you just saw our first cavalcade, which was the Goofy cavalcade with Max, Clarabelle, Goofy, Panchito, and I can never remember the other one's name from the 3 caballeros. I have to say, the cavalcades, I think they're pretty cool that they just pop up and do them whenever. So had Big Thunder or Splash Mountain been open, we wouldn't have saw that one. So there you go.
So Bryson is getting food. I'm going on The Little Mermaid. It's like a 25-minute wait, so we'll see if it's actually 25 minutes. so cute. So it stopped to clean and while we were waiting in line. So it took about 20 minutes. I say we, it was you and me, but it took about 20 minutes, but that's all right. All right, we gotta go find Bryson now. Let's go.
So I have gotten a cinnamon roll. I have not gotten any coffee yet, but just a heads up to you guys. If you come at the opening, when the park opens, go get food, because the food lines are longer than some of the ride lines. You know, to be expected with not everything being open. But I'm good now, got my food, got something to eat. So yeah, let's go try Splash Mountain again.
I think you can see that. It says Splash Mountain is 45 minutes and the line is like way back, like all the way back to the drop. Okay, so here's what I think. If you are a Disneylander, you probably get this. The lines look deceivingly long, but because we're so spread out, I don't really think they're that long. Because Mine Train was all the way around where Gaston's Tavern was, and it said it was only a 50-minute wait. I think it's just like deceiving. But this is a 45-minute wait. Yeah. And Splash says 45 minutes. We just don't know. We're still learning this new no fast pass situation. It's all new for us because we don't typically ride any rides without a fast pass. So this is very different.
So Thunder Mountain did not take 45 minutes. I don't know if we timed it perfectly or what, but we barely stopped. We just kept walking on and off the ride in 20 minutes. Well, when we got off, nobody was moving and the queue was definitely stopped. So that's why I say I think we timed it perfectly with it reopening. 20 minutes, that was in the queue, on the ride, off the ride. So Splash Mountain, however, the line is all the way back to where the cavalcades come out by Pecos Bills. So we are gonna head over to Pirates, see what it looks like. Haunted Mansion, still one of our favorite rides. Obviously, we cannot do the part in the elevator where you see the stretching room. The room is fully stretched, so you still see all of the funny pictures. It was only about a 20-minute wait, so not that bad, even though the line was super long looking. So now it's time for a little bit of a break. We are gonna head to Skipper Canteen and grab some lunch. And if you wanna know what Skipper Canteen is like, I will put a link right here so you can see our Skipper Canteen dining review that we did. Well, after a good lunch at Skipper Canteen, we are heading to the car. We're gonna head back to our hotel for a little while. Really, it's because Crystal has another outfit she wants to put on, so that's what we're gonna do.
Blame me.
Yep, we won't be too long, but next time you see us, we'll be right back here at Magic Kingdom. And just like we said, we are back at Magic Kingdom. Went and relaxed at the hotel for a little while. We went to the pool, but Crystal did her outfit change.
It's good to be bad.
It's good to be bad. She wanted to do her villain outfit for tonight. I don't know why, but she did. So that's what she put on.
Because I'm used to wearing 2 outfits a day and I don't want to break tradition.
True, 2 outfits a day is tradition. So we are heading to Splash Mountain because we learned this morning that even when it goes down, just stay in line because the wait only got longer as the day went on. So we're gonna get in line and do Splash Mountain right now. So Splash Mountain, we got wet. Crystal, however, she got blasted with water.
My hair is soaked.
Yeah, it was quite funny because I didn't get it nearly as bad as her. It said it was a 50-minute wait. We maybe waited a half hour. Wasn't too bad. And it was good to enjoy this ride before it goes away, whenever it goes away. Now the Splash Mountain, even though I'm not the biggest fan, I am glad I did it.
We're off to Neverland.
That's right, we are going to do Peter Pan because we have never done Peter Pan and seen the queue.
No, we've never done
We've always
standby.
fast passed it. So, let's check out the queue.
Nana. She's so cute. That was really cute. I would totally do it again just for the queue. I actually think the queue is better than the ride.
So we got enough time for one more ride. So why not end it like we started it and go get Galactic Hero for Crystal on Buzz Lightyear. She's gonna do okay. She'll do okay. I'll help her. There's Bryson. And look how good she did. That is literally 100 times better than she did this morning. So good.
And the sun is setting on another magical day at the Magic Kingdom. Well, that's gonna do it for us today. What a fantastic day. So good to be back in the Magic Kingdom. We are so happy to be here. And I got more points than I usually do on Space Rangers. If you're new around here, please make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click that like button if you like what we're doing and that bell notification so that you can be notified every time we release a video. Thank you guys for stopping by. We will see you in our next video. For the love of the mouse, never forget that it all started with a mouse.
We only need